Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a smartwatch to an iPhone. First, make sure both your smartwatch and iPhone are fully charged, which prevents interruptions during setup. Next, navigate to your iPhone settings and verify that Bluetooth is enabled, as this is crucial for the connection. Finally, download the dedicated companion application for your specific smartwatch model from the App Store, which is often required for full functionality. Now, open the companion application on your iPhone that you just downloaded. The app will usually guide you through the initial setup. Look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Watch. Make sure your smartwatch is powered on and kept within a few inches of your iPhone during this stage. This close proximity helps ensure a smooth and quick discovery process for both devices. Once the app finds your smartwatch, you will see its name appear on your iPhone screen. Tap on your watch's name to select it and proceed with the connection. Sometimes, a unique pairing code, perhaps consisting of 6 or 8 digits, will display on both your iPhone and your smartwatch. Always double-check these numbers match perfectly. Finally, confirm the pairing on your iPhone by tapping Pair or Connect to establish the secure link. After a successful connection, the app will likely ask for various permissions, such as access to your location, contacts, and notifications. Granting these ensures full functionality for features like activity tracking and message alerts. This is also the perfect time to personalize your new smartwatch, so explore options for different watch faces, adjust notification settings, and set your daily activity goals. Allow a few minutes for initial data to synchronize between your iPhone and smartwatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.